tired. Whatever. I'm filming today as a day in my life, kind of. And my friend Tessa is going off to college in like a week. So we were trying to think of something fun for the three of us, me, Taylor, and Tessa, to do before she leaves for her last hoorah, you know. And so Taylor thought, she literally walked into my work yesterday and was like, she comes in and she's like, do you want to go on a helicopter? And I was like, what? She's like, do you want to go on a helicopter? And I was like, yeah. She's like, okay. So we're going on a helicopter and it's gonna be fun and I'm kind of scared. So I'm just gonna take you guys with us. Tessa doesn't know we're going yet. She's actually the one driving. She's the one driving, but she doesn't even know where we're going. And so we're kind of surprising her just because she's leaving for college and we're gonna miss her because me and Taylor are doing online this semester. So we're gonna do that and I'm gonna take you guys with us. So let's go. Ooh, so cute. Tessa, what do you think we're doing?
Jumping out of a plane.
We're not jumping out of a plane.
Toward death.
Wait, do you actually, does she actually know? Do you think she knows?
Are we committing suicide?
We're not jumping out. We're not jumping out.
I just...
Should we wait? Okay, we're gonna wait. It's hot out here. Mask up. I can't find mine. Where is it?
Do you like mine? Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Stand smart. Hit him up.
Here, hold this. God.
Hi. I'm the filmer, guys. Yeah, if you want to hire me, I'll link my website down below. My rates are pretty high, but it's because of the job I do. And that's all I gotta say.
Natural.
It's a beautiful day for some helicoptering.
We're really dressed up to go on a helicopter. There's a shower in here.
Helicopter ride. Wait, is that kind of normal though? Maybe.
What?
Maybe people go like, if you were on a date, yeah, we're on a date.
We're on a throuple date. We're on a date to ride in a helicopter.
Yeah.
There's a shower in the bathroom.
We just got the game out. So yeah, you're so you're on hot water.
It's kind of cute. Ooh, I'm excited. We're waiting for Gary.
Gary.
To get here with our copter.
Wait, that's so weird that his name is Gary.
Are you guys excited?
Yes. Are you guys excited?
Are you guys excited to go on a helicopter? Gary's here. He's British.
Is he?
Yeah. Or, yeah. Hello, ladies. He said, hello, ladies. Are you here for the helicopter ride?
Yeah.
We said, yeah. Are you? Are you excited?
No.
Did you expect this?
Yeah.
Wake up. Get ready. She knew. Right when we said get ready. She knew.
Yeah, I
it was a
mean, this is
helicopter.
pretty obvious. And you guys are really bad at it.
I mean, we do this like every other weekend.
Yeah.
I've never been on a
It's
helicopter.
okay.
Tessa, get your act together. Get your head out of the gutter, John B.
Who the fuck is John B? The neighbor from the Keys.
No! Well, you don't have John B?
I don't know, that sounds
Okay, sorry about this. Gonna have a little walk onto the helicopter.
Okay.
Come on now. Again, I'm sorry for keeping you waiting.
No, it's okay.
On this side, one on the other side. Entirely how you want to do it.
Awesome. Cute. Oh boy.
Mine. Seriously, I used to have hair. Sorry, I'm just gonna. There you go.
Thanks.
Sorry about that. I'm flying now without. Nothing to do with my flying, by the way. You okay though? So you've got your seatbelt on. Anyone. So headsets, you girls can be wearing the green ones. They are clean. We always clean them everywhere between every flight. When you put them on, make sure the microphones are really close to your mouth.
Okay.
I'll turn the power on, and you should be able to hear each other talking. They adjust and they bend and move around.
Hello.
Don't be afraid of moving the microphones around, okay?
Testing, testing.
And you need to speak up because they are very sensitive.
Okay. We got some lunch and now I have to go to work. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I know this video was probably really short. I don't think I got much footage, but I just kind of wanted to film it. I thought it'd be fun. And it was so awesome. It was like 60 bucks a person for like, I think like 12 minutes. But it was super awesome. We went over the ocean. And everyone, it was so cool when we went like by the ocean. He was so close to the water and everyone was like waving and stuff. And so that was probably the coolest part, just everyone being like, hey, and we were like, hey. But it was so cool. So yeah, I definitely recommend if you ever have the opportunity to go in a helicopter or just look up areas around you, maybe there's a place. So it wasn't expensive or anything. It was awesome. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in the next video.